Hi, I'm Mari Ward, one of the few Japanese locally employed members to work here at Burnaston. I was born in Tokyo, grew up in quite a traditional family. My dad was always at the front and centre. My mum was a housewife, a supportive role, expected to be ladylike, demure. When I moved to the UK, looking for jobs, I kind of limited myself, and then I ended up looking for more supportive roles. I joined Toyota 11 years ago, supporting the MD and the executive advisor because of my linguistic abilities to liaise with Japan. You know, at the beginning it was interesting and challenging, but as my experience grew, I felt that it wasn't really enough. There's a compulsory course called Emotional Intelligence in TM UK. In doing this emotional intelligence assignment, I found myself digging deeper. Some people felt that I was maybe very assertive, very pushy. That kind of feedback made me a little bit uncomfortable because I was brought up to be a demure, ladylike person. And then as I have my conversations with my management team, I realised it's okay to be assertive. It's part of my personality. So I started to embrace that side of things, and I was able to move to my current role. Principal Specialist at BRC Accessories and Projects. I think Toyota is definitely unique in that everyone wants to do better. Gender, culture, it shouldn't be the limit. It's your capability, your willingness, and constant drive for self-improvement.